everybody, it's Bunny, your host for today's video. My hair is so bad today, it disturbs even me. I want to do a follow me around. It's already dark outside, not much sun left. I would have lived for this kind of front volume in like 2004. Slap some bobby pins in it. I used to call it hairigami. I just sat down to film 2 other videos. I realized I don't have any of the supplies for them. That means we need to go to the dollar store. Before we can, or should, let's try and fix my hair because it's an abomination. Wow. Every time I touch it, it just gets worse. When do you know to just put a hat on your head? I'm ready for the day.
That sure is some flattering light. Here we are at the Dollar Tree. Thought I just saw a cat, but it was a shadow, so I'm pretty disappointed. Oh my god, there goes my car keys. I just have to take a minute to show you guys my purse. This space helmet is in fact my purse, and it is as impractical as it looks. Ow, struggling to even, oh, that's how I carry my purse now, you guys. Just around my neck. I for sure thought that this would be the least crowded time to come to the Dollar Tree. 6 o'clock on a Saturday night, but the gang's all here. I'm going in for 3 things. I'm sure I'll come out with at least 5. Thing 1, I want to try the life hack that everyone is doing where you shove your hair in a bottle of some sort and use it as an air curler. Everybody is now saying that it's to mimic the Dyson air wrap. Why you would ever want to mimic that, I have no idea, because it doesn't work. It's a piece of oh my god. I'm just pacing outside the Dollar Tree right now doing this, and it doesn't get any less awkward the longer that I do it. I'm kind of looking for one of the taller water bottles, maybe a 2-liter. The other thing that I need is suddenly I can't think because someone's mail has been left here. I know a lot of as seen on TV inventions, once they fail, they're here. I actually don't have my original air curler anymore, and I've heard that sometimes you can find them at dollar stores. That's a long shot. I don't think we're gonna find that today. The last thing that I'm here for is a banana peppers mission, because tons of you guys have been sending me tweets that you can find the little things that I do to unbox. I think even Shopkins, like some of the really expensive ones that are sold at Target for like $10 a pop, you can now find, I suppose, at the good old Dollar Tree. So let's engage Earthworm now that I'm freezing. Look at my little outfit. I've got a helmet, I've got a Coke jacket, and I've got fuzzy boots. Engage Earthworm, yes. Wait, can I curl my hair with giant decorative candy canes? Want to get wrapping paper, which you'd think would be an item. My god, this is like the apocalypse. There's like nothing left on these shelves. Is the world ending? Did no one have the common decency to tell me? I do feel like I'd be a unicorn. Like I would just be the one that would get left behind. What am I here for? What am I doing? I found a fragment of kinda Halloween. He's so derpy. See, this is the kind of stuff that I almost get roped into buying, but today I'm just gonna say no. Wait, does that, oh my god. Why does that actually work? Why does this thing actually work? Create your own snow. Can I just make a video where I like test dollar store stuff? Because I'm trying to make things into tripods that are not tripods. Even though Halloween is long over, we still have 2 aisles of glow sticks. How popular are glow sticks? This is going well for me. Hey, yeah, do you want to say hi? Okay. Look, we found a Swan family member. Hey! I like this. This is like a little check-in. I only have 1 wing on. I love you so much. Thank you. Let's say hi to the vlog. I'm gonna cry. I made my dreams a reality. 10 days till Christmas. Do you have your shopping done? Or are you like me? Have you failed entirely this year? Because boy, I have. Oh, okay, you guys. It can be confirmed. Shopkins, they did have at the Dollar Tree. They only have one left. Just sounds like the inside of my mind all the time. So you think you know the 90s? Yes, I do. In case you need any last minute gifts, I found Existential Crisis Choo Choo Train. What's going on here? I don't remember ever seeing these in stores, but they are pretty cute for little like mystery surprises. They're called bonbons, candies, and I think they have squishies inside. Shut entirely up. What year is this? How is this happening? Who else in the entire universe remembers these? A Lisa Frank calendar? Fell in some sort of time hole. Care Bears. My God. Mardi Gras. My God. We're like 3 months early for that. Okay, I'm really struggling to hold this Popples calendar now. I'm not finding anything I need. I sure am finding stuff I want. Let's continue. I cannot be the only one with some sort of nostalgic midlife crisis going on. Because why? Who else? Popples calendar? What is this? Oh. Ugh. Stuff like this is being invented into the world, yet I'm the weird one. I want to smell this. It's a perfume called Blue Wear. I want to do like a trying dollar store products video now. Leave a like if you'd watch that with your eyeballs, or maybe with someone else's. Okay, I found the butt cream. There has really been a run on that. Look, it's my necessities. And also what I am, sassy and chic. Maybe not so much on the chic, but I do have the sass. Oh my God. Can I have this rat? I feel like he can be my good luck charm for 2019. What is that? I thought if maybe there would be anywhere that, like, as seen on TV hair items, it would logically be over here in the beauty section. I feel like this is also the aisle that gets me every time at the dollar store. Two-tone hair elastics. I probably don't need them, but the colors.
The colors, Duke. The colors.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Why do I like this? This looks like a good sized water bottle. Excuse me, Mr. Rat. We have to give him a name, like Matt Rat. Alka 65. pH of a 9.5. I feel kind of left out because I don't know what any of that means. Why do people pay more money for alkaline pH water? I need to be told that quote right now, which is like, don't frown, princess. Your crown is falling. It's kind of the same.
Crystal, the backup.
Do I have everything I need?
Angela, the backup.
Toast and pop-ups. My favorite breakfast.
Are you playing?
Yeah, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi! Wait, do I just get to test these? Will they spray? Do I get kicked out for this? Do you guys ever look at air fresheners and candles and just ask yourself, like, what makes it a warm apple crumble? Will I smell the warmth? Will I smell the crumble? Smell angel wishes. What do angels smell like? What do wishes smell like? I don't even know that I can guarantee you what snow smells like, but I live in South Texas, so I've experienced it twice in my entire life. Ew, that was a sickening little squirt there. Ugh. Is it supposed to do that? It smells really good and distinctly like crumbles. Somehow I feel like this is easier to carry my items in a bucket instead of a shopping. The hills are alive with the sound of music. I feel like there's like one last section that I could look for as seen on TV items, which is like this kind of flip-floppy aisle. It's the little things. Life goal. Be meh. It's my life goal, just to be Haven't found hardly anything I'm looking for, but I do find a mini hacksaw. Like, is everybody that's not in the States right now just wondering why for $1 you just have loose hacksaws in the middle of the store? Nothing could possibly go wrong with that. What is this for? It almost looks like an indecent gesture. I found 2 more actual real blind bags, which is grocery gang. I think that was technically like Shopkins for boys. Creepy creatures.
He doesn't look creepy, he looks friendly.
Just really compelled to make some sort of headband out of that. Caution, whiz kid at work. What the hell is this? That's a pin? I found a couple more of the little mystery things. We've got some Steven Universe, some Zelda, Triforce pendants, Family Guy, some more Grocery Gang. Yeah, it looks like we have the display at least. Nah, there's some in there. I'm actually not gonna get any today though, because I have seen like a lot of people in here buying them. Probably for like kids' stocking stuffers. Look at these bracelets. I found this one, which kind of looks like the planet. And I found this one, which is rainbow. How are these $1? Fashion, but make it Dollar Tree. Is my job here done? Have I actually reasonably completed my mission? I've got a bottle. I think that this is going to be pretty good for curling my hair. Generally, the problem that I have with all hair curlers is that the thingy is not like long enough, because my hair has really grown out again. I got one thing that I was actually coming for and 3 unplanned items, but I say we go home and try and answer a couple of these we love the 90s trivia questions. I want to know how obscure they are.
I just hacked your lives, you guys. I mean, look at that. I look at least $2 better right now, right? As promised, we're gonna pop open these 90s trivia cards. What kind of trivia is this? Like, whose crusty jacket is this? I don't understand this trivia, you guys. Is this like a true false kind of thing? Because this is just a fact. In 1999, Australians drank 113 liters of soft drink per person, or 300 milliliters per day. Like, the whole back of the deck is just fun facts. Here we go. Okay, my favorite year, 1998, this is all about Australia. Australian astronaut Andy Thomas spends 130 days on Russian Mir space station. Cool. What did Nirvana's Kurt Cobain and Courtney Love name their daughter? And I already know, but I'm gonna give you guys a guess. Rosemary, Courtney, or Frances Bean. In The Lion King, what was the name of Simba's father? I feel like these are either really obscure about Australian astronauts or really easy where they ask you who Simba's dad is. The next one is a Lion King one too. It says, what kind of animal is Pumbaa in The Lion King? I would not have known this. Who played Forrest Gump's mother in Forrest Gump? Ow. I love headbands, but they just always squeeze every last brain cell out of my head. What Bruce Willis film is about a boy who sees dead people? Here's one I did not know. I'm just reading the cards now, so I'm not even playing facts anymore. Which of these movies starred Bill Murray? Rushmore, Save the Last Dance, or Ruthless People? In what 1997 film did Jeff Bridges play the dude? I feel like I could get all of these. Who recorded the hit single Loser in 1994? Oh my god. Okay, we'll end with this one, because if you're kind of like a music person, this is just a shocking little fact to me. Who wrote Sinead O'Connor's #1 hit, Nothing Compares to You? Is it Prince, Elvis Costello, or Phil Collins? It was Prince. I didn't know that. That's actually kind of a fun little game. I feel like I need to call Ty. He's my like best 90s friend. That is it for today's video, you guys. The battery is flashing. That lets me know it's time to go. I hope you guys had fun following me around today at the Dollar Tree. I feel like we found 2/3 of the things that we were going for, just no as seen on TV items. But hey, leave a like if you enjoyed hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out a lot. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!